Hey, what's up, guys? Today we have two rally cars that dominated the scene in their day. Very special. Both two legends. First one, 1989 Lancia Delta Integrale Turbo. This one is a blue lower color. Came out of Japan. And it is a AV. Very, very, very rare to find this car in this color. Super well taken care of. It was a one owner car in Japan. 95,000 original kilometers. Very, very clean. Now, when I first got the car, rear seats were still wrapped in the original plastic when they were brand new. Owner said no one ever had sat down in the rear seats, but I had to take it off because it was staining the carpet already. And as you can see, it was falling to pieces. But such an awesome car. Now this one, it's a dream to have. Now this is a 2000 Mitsubishi Evolution 6.5 TM edition. The E was mostly stock, suspension, strut bars, stuff like that. But engine wise, it's all stock. Same thing with the Lancia, it's all stock. This one, the only mod does it have is an exhaust and some racing spark plug wires, but it's mostly stock. Quick video of both of these gems. Beautiful. See you guys next time.